Hey guys, Jace Foster here, Pollard Ford. Want to thank you for taking the time today to check out this video. If you have any questions, give us a call or come and see us South Loop 29 in Indiana.
You are going to love the 2019 Transit Connect. Ford Transit, the right size, the whole world round. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options. Front license plate bracket. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
Pollard, we make owning a new Ford affordable.